Suka Ziad. Stop. Ini sunadu kasu. Betul kikai. Sunadu kasu koi. Sunadu kasu. Burada.
To my Ghanaian family that is in the comment section saying, don't come to Ghana, don't worry, nobody is coming to Ghana. Nobody is coming to Ghana. I don't understand. What is there to come to Ghana for? Huh? A lot of Nigerians in Ghana that are running mad. Is that not enough? Nigerians don't go to Ghana. Oh.
A few moments later.
Due to the insecurity problem in Nigeria, a lot of Nigerians are actually moving out of the country as we speak. A video coming from some of their airports suggests that most of them are actually leaving the country for fear of their lives, and the fact that, you know, in the northern part of the country, there's insurgents and acts of terrorism. Most of these people leaving the country are not actually leaving Nigeria to either the UK or the US, right? They are coming into other African countries. And from what we are hearing, most of them are coming into Ghana. Because of the English that we speak, it makes sense for them not to go to Cameroon, for them not to go to Benin, for them not to go to Togo, but for them to come straight into Ghana. Now, one thing that is actually helping them to actually come into Ghana and get infiltrated into the population is because of the Hausa language. Now, if you go to Nigeria, most of us focus on the Yoruba and the Igbos, right? But the predominant language or ethnic group in Nigeria is actually the Hausas. They form about 30 to 35% of the population, right? A breakdown will tell you that Yoruba has about 15.5% of the population. Igbos have about 15.2% of the population. Then you have the Fulani who form about 6% of the population. Now, the reason they could actually move into Ghana without us noticing is because of the Hausa language. In Ghana, Hausa is also, you know, a language spoken here, right? And it is the same language that is spoken in Nigeria too. So when they are moving in here, most of them disguise themselves as Ghanaians because they could speak the Hausa language. So at the border or the immigration checkpoints, they speak this Hausa language and they move in. Most of the Nigerians, most of the Malians, most of the Guineans, a lot of them speak this Hausa language. So that is how come they're able to move into Ghana with ease. What is happening in Nigeria? Nobody wants to stay in the country any longer. And if they are moving out of the country, their default destination is Ghana, bro. The population of Ghana is just 35.3 million. The population of Nigeria is around 240 million people, right? So if 30% of 240 million people are actually Hausas, and these people are actually moving out of, you know, their country, even if all of them will not come into Ghana, most of them will come into Ghana, or a substantial number of them will come into Ghana, because, you know, Ghana looks like the most stable country in the entire sub-region. If you don't pay attention to this, it will get to a point in time where the Hausa population in Ghana will become massive. And when it becomes massive, that is where the problem starts. They start to claim ownership. They start to use this whole Islamic laws and order. They start to push for things to be done their way. And that is where it creates substantial problem. I'm not saying all houses are bad, but I'm just saying that if you pay attention to what is happening in Africa and especially in our sub-region, the Hausa population are mostly Muslims, right? So when they become huge in your country, they start to push for their things to be done their way. We don't want that to happen in Ghana. In Nigeria, as we speak, there has been about 3 kidnappings in the northern part. The Kebbi girls, you can't find them. See, we shouldn't be like, oh, Ghana, we are hospitable. But we actually need to be on the lookout for these Hausa people who are disguising themselves as Ghanaians and send them back into Nigeria.
Nigerian youth, you have to understand that if the government are not going to defend our land for us, it's time for us to get our own arms. You can get your cutlass and protect your land. There's no monopoly in killing. We are all killers. We just have to start. And very, very soon, we will have to start. The killing in my state is too much. The killing in Benue State is too much. The killing in Jos is too much. And now they've gone to the west. Everywhere is bleeding. Please, we have to get the arms together and we have to start protecting ourselves if the government will not do it. Please.
So they are paying them billions of naira every month. This man, you people are seeing here, let me play the video for you. He said that this is the reason why we don't have good road. They don't care about the insecurity. This is the reason why no good hospitality. This is why our children are suffering. This is why our people are buying every day. Watch the video. They said that Kaduna government pay these people billions of naira every month. Watch it.
And they paid the bandits. They paid them 1 billion naira the first time the school was attacked and students abducted. They are paying bandits. They are apologizing to them. They are
finding this information about 1 billion naira being paid.
Look, let the governor or anyone come and deny. We have the evidence. When the time comes, we reveal everything. They are paying bandits. They are empowering bandits. This is what this government is doing.
And you think that will not work?
It will not work.
Nka we asem we si Nigeria nka me ya obefa ho ben nka me mfa ho gina me media ya mfa ho wa wo hwe wo mfa ho enye wasem in fact e betwetwe be sere wo mo ai ya sere wo mo ai gina me media bo mo de subscribe share like na ebuse ko dem gonya kakraka ya for bibi a few moments later abusunya me say news we nka mfa ye ho ba me nka sem bi na yen so real quick said you share bongo ideas video no about Nigeria from work room. Anything I made this particular video. But it kinda Fulani for tolerance for name Bokaram for Bokaram for a 2 days. I Bokaram for na how much to end ye. You're crying why did you come cause Bokaram doors more hard drain. No you would do for Timamunko for Kumwa. Yen Yentim Kumari Mukum for Mukum for Bonnie for Bukumat watching it with the simple. No more target here. I'm on target aqua atasani vio. Aha mon blast ho nyamon hye no na Ghana for ya so enkodidi ne da intiminda abuzua share your thoughts with me on the comment section for adwum chefa to comment section on misero menya ohwe like a video no share mame na menya ohwe be pato ai menya atasa misero na wohwe kwase abaye odi nkumo ya na no bagaya ya no afi na wohu nyansa se jimi se no kurum politicians no moji sika akase odwan bi sei twafuo bi ba te sei ana bedi di euro 240 to abibio atem I don't want to insult your this skin. Cause ya kufre ye 240 to ye you bra 240 to the second say I don't want to do this skin. Who friend this skin? O giant and you two friend saying Igbo can serve a claim. Oh no, dear do be man so more. I was here. I slow down. As a media term. Unfancheme. Na the thing na say sisi me kan se me atwo say uhuni se o man ye friend Nigeria mu nipa e wo Ghana ha sei no wo mpeso so a bo mo de report ne yankwache no onye hwekwa report ne yankwache no ne hwe se o nkrata wo de tena ha yi ana se one nemu illegal keke bi ase watch light na wa illegal connection ya becho an hwem hwade fi se o masuo hu nyina aba beku Ghana ha me sei because of the AC o nkrom abuzua ohu airport Lagos airport enipa gugo mo airport ahodo hwe enipa guo enipa atwe ohu efiri konimu bisa so mo ba he Ghana de hajo immigration de udiri ha ewuni mo wi o ha nkwana ofra order from above on wuchi akaka nkada be fam ye careful so mutua e immigration ho ana munya access to immigration no mutimu mo ba bo na wo hwebe no sere wani de kwan so se uhu obi sa kindly report the person nearest police station nearest akobo for say nearest police station report no manche no ni hwehwem say o nkrata na so ni nkrata o yede no be wura ma we mu di ekire kwisi e be bona ko fi say nkrofo na mo bakuru mu wonu etuo bi o mo toto ene de ekoso o mo manimu serious crimes ne ekoso politicians na mafa ena Boko Haram for ne gudi for terrorists akese no na mafa no musa ekuru no omukuru na se awie enti the only country they will survive is Ghana because ye ne ya yale for ye hia for ye wale for ye sebe 4 nyina ye omo boso enti omoni na de akere Ghana ha no sei Africa ha de Ghana ha no target more enti ni serew as immigration officer mwa ye ka kire wo se mo hwema nkrofo doburo mu a wankasa wo fie nkunyo nkuntontwene wo fie aboso nkuntontwene bise mamofo ese hwede ekoso mu kurum etututuo ye kidnap nkrofo ye kumbi mu asofo nyina etim ti ye nkrofo na be hwedin wa hwemo wo ma doburo mu dia no problem me say o mbegina online ase yawo you won't come to Ghana. And so a few moments later, no maso mo hote sese be enema bone maso mo se bola no ma urinjo mo se sanko bi no mo di so asa sardine aya hyehye okunku no mo bagana abesiki asalam refugee for shohuyi na se woni bi bobram no woni anna ho no wote twi kakra ana okunye peni kwase ya bi peni jini fo bi okurum ha no cover insurance cover so uchin chaga ni a we obeku abra wonwe no ho e do akoya rituals obeku do akonkrum akoya duro diaba obeku agye ho niema amoma na obusua asu atwa adwajo na so ma bi afei ana kwase ya no wotufo very dark man tufo wotufo se mukuru ho no ye kunkrofo omunya ehu hwe omunya ehu hwe afei wo bitu begina Ghana be bisa Ghana economy ana Ghana te say na Ghana say no kikansi hunisa no digu ho ana wi no fa flight so fa ka tipo wu no koye wasiasa na legend yesi yamane ayi uko vote ho zatamala obebi yamana sase no besi dan so because okotu nsubohu fom so e de amamu ho enya broni biyi ne yempanifo a e de sebe mammosem ya beisem na hye moma ka oman ye obibi abi de nimisi yen hyehyɛ mmerehunu na mamtimamufo ayanfofo na momaka na momo de mo enjoy on boni e wompanifo we mutirimu ntino menu mienu pia bontia police bi eni echi soja bi eni echi immigration in fact security system ni na e bi eni echi ba ye beko abefia somdwiem o chede mpo kwame basi ya mo boss ro bo asase na nanu o matwe ho hyenti ye beko aba somdwiem na so mu mambo sem ni tirimodin sem ni nyame a wo chi o mo kantino o mo na mabontia no musuo yesi mitirimu fa ntia mo onkum chigale onkum patapa onkum obrempota je kofi onkum tanonkum Antonia mankum ba esanse bonenu show ani abura show mutimu manti omu pia no musuro yisi omu di security di omachi anka wonsura nam free na hwade but ye pia bibia ni echi ye kone aba ananu ni Nyankopon gbo soro ba asase na di echi na di ye kone ba no security if you put CCTV camera we don't have personal security say they should omonnya ye ye dwumo nwen na so mu boni a hye mutimu manti won se bon na manam the securities na kwase ya ba betana Ghana ha bon ho safo ni se self acclaim iboken hwense huna wote wo kasa no ya IP obi member Biafra ni na he is ready to fight ya chine leader on betana Ghana ha kan kwase asem fisa ha mra na favor no because omo ntimi mfa ho mra na maha no sei yibitima sesa government na ho government ni bitimi ni Ghana fo asore won to kwaso war because of the science huna akwa we kan because omo enemy at Ghana ha and what to threaten the Nigeria ho. You see? But so penny within no sentence to a life in prison. Onya minister no pedia. No many be their backup. You're okay. But in this idea, as time goes on, Ghana crowd was someone this particular people send Nigeria ni a politicians in Yansafo and Yansafo mu a mo dwene ko akiri enim nyansa akwawi se government sesa se government we atesu tunibu aban a mo se so gane mo nye serious akro no ebono efiri na sa papa fo ne ba pito bi ne wi an nkofo ba na mo ye papa a che mo matwem ko ne dia na mo kaso mo follow up mo ne Ghana kwa bit manya beef because of akwawi because se mo te Ghana wokeka obi abetina o ma we mo to threat konkrum say ono support wudini say wudini ni bone ya sentence na kra na still no support no na wo Ghana ni waje na tena wo me o say di ade wa han say na wo president akodi wo kru so wo threat wo kru so say me Biafra ni ya so half way so afi musu very dark man na sefo ni ejini fo bia mo social media musu you know they see anything you have never seen nothing yet you have never seen anything yet there is more to come and they will kill you guys you say moa munni abadaye nti mo nkrofo na Nyankopon de kama no ba pu ankase mu no be fa mo nkrofo so mo kun wato atwene this way mo mesa kovi and by the time I Ghana be wiwi omo no we mo be wiwi omo no o mehu sampa tumi bi echen tumi na power bi echen power bi tumi bi o tumi echi very soon e be si wo Ghana ha na me say edwini na be hu aso nyina bete na begye mo nsem Yesu Kristo se me beye bibi wo Israel mamu na nipa nyina ni hu na aso tia do beti bia na so me che mo twen ale na bone ni so wache mutirimu masa mo de mo mai na mo de amma kwasi kokko bruni ene sebi amamfrafo so mo nyini wo man ni mu ana system na ye weak be hwana haja to ha be hwana ja to ha na nkran bi kudina ho ase edumja ade bi omoye hwade bi omoye enso du match pass ahwe weapons ahodo am be yidi aba be display wo match pass na ase sixth match no weapons a yibi ya ma fire service for some family for life obu ye no ko pack egu wo ka so medumuja na henso bi ma wo se channel for bi we ya ewoba factory bi shi wo msa akra ho baby hwe omudu no pa hwe omuginaja nhu bi omo chete ka ba ko pe ija kakra kasi ka ba ko pe 1 minute pe na mo from shame yensiesie ye bio ya hafo no kwa nyom wie so ya gi twamo egudefo egukuru mu a ko kan the name of ECOWAS ko kan the name of ECOWAS Ghana from Benfica bi temo muntiu ye ka bia muntie esi ni matem but the ye kan ye no kwa ne ye ka kire mo muntie na monye eto de ye de ani nya ne tikuru mu ha sanko febu no mo so munkum ye hia fa ye ni hwiu na mo takre mo eskafo na mo na mo suru mo na mo suru parliament o minti obi government bangalows ahodo minti obi so mo started bombo firi ho ba mo na maso ba shi nti ye ka mo nti ma mo nyom se ma no nyene se social media na abafo no bi ye ka bi na ye nyina so kama ne ye kase mesi ye de seka ye ji seka twego so se ma me twawo koto dade so na me nti se ma to dade so nsan sole na me twane na me tim krofu of twa U10 brantai pa brantai omanaja koi bringam isin jan joba na menenam etwawo isi that trauma no nkoano be de ho de na me ho kwantimi mpo cheche me ho mo ntimi sole me ho moa ntimi nsoma mu se be nipa me be ma nyina atwetwe na me ntse me tiwi ase disi attack odanka do hu how insecurity tie na hwe nkofa ye kidnap mu ye group bi ye kubi na wote wona wose won kasa wo yi nipa be yesu nsem bebre wo krom ho se mo pese be su jai kan be jai kan na ye di ku na mamo se mo amonyam wa mukuru na de aka yesu be ka krom ha nsem aka politics aka de ye kode ye ba ye be kire nkofa wa de sem se de manfo chelu mam chelu ma japade ye ma no ne nadofo no sa na be ye jaw ma na mamo se mo amonyam ade akoyi ya mo amode ankoyi ya mo amode fizi ye hu se ya kan mu fi enyano so ne be keep you away from the nokre e ko so kan nokre ya chemo Nigeria for omebiri country bi abepro mo omebu omukrum fa besen ku oze musu bedak ma wusu unya nsu ye wokwase ya ba wusu enya nsu ansu awu mansu wusu ape unya na wusu ape wose ontwan ine be ka kire ye wotumfo to se dabiem se mempese me di sawo hene wi atam wo frem ye wura se sawo hene we sebe kafra ewura opimso na de ni be yefom sekadweko fi hu mobo ohu ni wasefo nyina mobo mo sankrofo we nwan afina musu mo Ghana fo ba hu Nigeria fo mu tubata a bi ba Ghana hanum se ni su hu Nigeria ni wo mantema report no ye nche no report no ye nche fa asem to so no ye nche no ye kina be san hwehwe mo hu e mo hwim so wo pepesa police ni bia so fa ekire giblai ba mo mo ni dua mantem bia nso wo ho mantem bia gata wo ho fa nso no ko hwehwe fam eyere pass akoto snap ani ko hwefo dum ni pakro no dum police ni kro no sabo sunso mo tia sa cha wa mant na fu be hye manawu na fu e be hye manawu mo starting report wo mo cause ahoho no manfrafo na doso wo ma we mu no mo dibone mo di bro de hye Ghana fo ade yakoya na se bae Ajami media bomba de subscribe na like na ebuso ko nbonya kakaka mesi wo mkrom ne ehọ nro ntino mu dwane aba ha no me kire wo mkrom de yekoso emfa ye ho but me kire de yekoso wo me kire de yekoso wo o dwane no te na o se o ye brafe ni IP member hwan ni krom hwe de yekoso o hu de yekoso no krom mo hu de ekoso no kurum e ya asem sebe ye beton ya hwewe mu ha hwe han dia se ya subscribe na share like na ebusu kunu bonye kaka amenya ohwe comment mame share to Facebook photo start from WhatsApp fo nyina no mo hwe no mo hu de ekoso e wo man ochida mbokwa mbasi adom ena na no me adom e be se share bebi abuzia edi amaje so ena na ya Brian akoko GH ni na ofre amaje so studio line da hono fa number no na video bia woni twa so a ekoso wo se kan ho asem fa send me o do bia person de ba bia o de fa send me musu nya video bia circulate bia I will send it to you me video bia memo link na so sha ma afofo na afofo so hu de ekoso e wo ma konko Ghana se de be ya oni hana so ba ha obeboa no aba muntotu online sese we mu ya di ma ya onenam self defense and the police station wo purpose cause e jai ma bonefo ni be wura ha too much obi am bon ho bai na onhwe no ho so yi isu adwen no fast mo bi mfa na adwen mfa bi tu isu ni fast wo fi no be bopunu mu a make sure you check before go and see the person yes I bebe wo fi akun ato adwen papa yi man no yi sika kire me say ya ye boom an started training na gu punachi because you are not expecting anyone strategy no pipe bu aya wo kotum ne ye kura mu kabu kune crepen hwonso yi me do kai se nyankopon bo so basa sena no enso do yi pa we se hye bi makra bye bye kwagu enti ye hwe bosumbe ni abosumbe ena wo komo mu komo kokwa brante oye mutia na se oye kokwa brante mutia okay any abosumbe
ana mfuko comment na
bosukuma okay
nasnaba
ohinba
ansanaba metian
o se your friend say etiam frama oh okay enti esukuma etiam frama ene kokwa brantie ena die biu
ena
diewu
ansana menyan
enya no
sana betutu
okon tutu okay ena de hilium
asana
patapa
asana tigare
abia be kakoten kwagu kuma abusu wenyina akora no kom sa abusu wenyina o a odi adwuma tikwaku obi a wo hwe oti program mu e de na wo ka kire no
wa hia mo bi abra
okay wow
wa hia mo bi abra
okay
sayare infra awo yare bro hia mo amedi libya pe bi ameyama
okay nice one